This month alone, I earned $39,755 using Pinterest, affiliate marketing, and AI. No paid ads, no product, no face on camera. And the crazy part, guys, Pinterest is doing all the work. It keeps sending me free traffic every single day, around the clock, without me touching anything. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact system I'm using right now in 2026 step by step so that any beginner can copy this and start earning commissions. Now, I have been doing this business, guys, for over 6 years. I know what's working right now and what's not, okay? And just last month, I have made $38,672 and it's paid, okay? This is my invoice, recent payment request details. It's paid, as you guys can see here. I already received this payment in my PayPal account. So anyway, in this video, I'll share with you everything you need to start making commissions using Pinterest and AI, okay? Make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip past one step, this business, guys, will be really difficult for you because what's working right now in 2026 is using AI to create content on Pinterest and scale that is simply not possible to do manually, okay? And that's exactly what I'm going to teach you today, okay? Let's get started. So first, for people who want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing using AI, is you guys need to join an affiliate marketing program, okay? The best one, the profitable one that I'm working with is Fiverr Affiliates, okay? So here is what you will do. You will just go to Google and search for Fiverr, click on the first link and sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? So you just need to come to this page over here to Fiverr, your Fiverr homepage, and scroll down, go to company here, okay? And click on affiliates, okay? Like this. And you will be in this Fiverr affiliates website. You guys can scroll down so you can check their commission plan and see how much they are paying, okay? Guys, they are really paying high commissions, okay? So for pro services, for example, you can earn up to 70% of the first order, which is crazy. If you know any affiliate marketing program that is paying like this commissions, please let me know in the comments because this one is really crazy, guys, okay? 70% of the first order. The best part with this affiliate marketing program is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning you keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So you will earn, for the first order, you will earn up to 70% if the same person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months. So meaning for 1 year, you keep earning 10% revenue share. You can turn this into a passive income, okay? And the lowest that they are paying is 25% for other services and $30 for logo services, okay? Anyway, you guys can check this, and if you want to create your affiliate account, go back here to this page and click on join now, okay? And you will be in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program, and here you need to create your Fiverr affiliate account. And the sign up process, guys, as you guys can see, is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, and your password. Confirm your password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? Click on yes. And they want you to pay close attention here. What you will do here is you will go and create a Pinterest business account. And before you put your Pinterest business account profile link here, post at least up to 5 Pinterest pins about Fiverr services, about different Fiverr services. So when they will check your application, they will see that you already have a traffic source, okay? You already have a page that you will use to promote those services, so your account can get approved fast, okay? You can also use Pinterest, you can use YouTube, you can use Instagram, you can use TikTok, so much more, okay? Click here and choose your country. So you just need to search for your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Search for your country, click here and choose your language. It's super easy and simple. If you have a Telegram account, you can put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Click on next and that's it. You just need to follow a few steps. Super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr Affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr Affiliates account dashboard, okay? So it's easy and it's clear. So what you will do next is you need to create Pinterest business account. You will go, because we will use Pinterest, you will go to Google, search for go to Google and search for Pinterest business account like this. Okay, it's better to use business account, not personal account. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. It's super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. This will be your Pinterest homepage. Why we choose Pinterest? Because a lot of people, they don't know that Pinterest is getting 1 billion monthly visitors. Okay, you guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest. The best part with Pinterest, why it's really good for affiliate marketing, because it's search engine platform. Okay, so what you need to focus on Pinterest is your SEO. If you are using a good keyword in your pins, in your description, in your pin picture, your pin can rank higher and keep getting you traffic for years, because it's search engine platform. So it's all about SEO. It's not about growing your followers or about paying for ads. No, just focus on SEO, focus on using good keyword, and you can get so much traffic from Pinterest. Okay, a lot of people, they have Pinterest profile page and they are getting millions of monthly visitors every single day without running ads, just by using good SEO in their pins. And that's exactly what you need to do. And how you can use good SEO, it's by using AI. It's AI, guy. It's all done by AI. Okay, I'll share with you how you can do it. Okay, anyway, once you finish creating your Pinterest business account, what you will do now, it's time to choose good services that you will start promoting here on Pinterest. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, so for you as a beginner, if you don't know what to promote, you can use Fiverr search bar. If you click on the search bar, Fiverr will give you this. You guys can see popular right now. You will give you the services that has high demand, the services that people are paying for right now on Fiverr. This is the services that you need to promote. This is the first option. The second option, guys, is you guys can see this one here, trending. You see this option? Trending. If you click on trending, also here, Fiverr will give you the trending services that are trending, that people are paying for, okay, that has high demand. This is the services that you need to promote. No guesswork, no choose what you like. No, don't choose what you like. You need to do research. You need to promote what's already working. Okay, anyway, so we will use, for me, I will, in this video, let's keep it simple and use trending. So here you guys can see we have a lot of services that are trending. Guys, also AI services, they are crazy, guys. Please also start promoting AI services. Okay, so let's pick one. Let's go back to trending. Book design. We have book design, we have e-commerce, dropshipping, Shopify, WordPress, website design, e-commerce marketing, UGC videos, so much more. Okay, you have a lot. Let's pick one as an example. Book and ebook marketing. Let me choose this one. I will click on this one. Just click on the service that you guys want to start promoting, and here you go. Fiverr will give you here the services and the sellers who provide those services. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose good service. You need to choose good sellers who can provide good service for your customers, for people who will come from your affiliate link. If you are not choosing good sellers, you can't make commissions. Okay, so please always choose like top rated seller and level 2 seller and pro sellers. Those sellers will be good sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, because people who will click on your affiliate link, they will go and check the profile of those sellers. They will check the feedback of their customers who already paid for their service. Okay, so if you are choosing good sellers, you are good and you are doing it correctly. Okay, anyway, let me show you how we can use it. So for example, we have a lot here. You see, we have like this one, top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews, and they have this one here. Also, he is top rated seller, has a lot of reviews, over 1,000 reviews, like this one. So for me, guys, I will choose this one. I will click on this one here, top rated seller, and here you go. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Do you see this? I'm sharing with you the numbers. I'm sharing with you what's working right now. Do you see this? We have here 250 orders in queue and over 2,000 people paid for this service. People keep coming back. This service is evergreen service, meaning if people buy the service, they can keep buying the service, guys, from you over and over, and you will keep earning the 10% revenue share that I explained in the beginning. Okay, which is crazy. You see, it's already working. Okay, what I'm sharing with you here, it's what's working right now in 2026. This is what makes me $1,000 every single month with affiliate marketing. Okay, anyway, what you will do here, is you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate dashboard, okay, and click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. This one, guys. If you are promoting level 1, level 2 top rated seller, you will copy your affiliate link from here. This one, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. If you are promoting pro services, this will be your affiliate link, Fiverr Pro new plan, this one, and you will copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, for me, guys, I do have this option, Fiverr Step A old plan, because like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for over 6 years and I have an old Fiverr affiliate account. That's why I still have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. But anyway, it's almost the same. Fiverr new plan also, it's better. Also, Fiverr Marketplace is good. Okay, so you have created your affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link just on Pinterest. I just shared with you almost everything, okay? But if you want to take this business seriously and get all the details, all the info from scratch, I have created an affiliate marketing course where I teach you guys how you can use AI to create faceless content that you can use to promote your affiliate offers on Pinterest, Quora, Reddit, YouTube, and more. It's almost all done by AI, and that's exactly what's working right now. What's helping me to scale to over $30,000 per month is AI, guys. Okay, without AI it's very difficult, but using AI you can make so much content in a short time, just done by AI. Okay, if you want to take it seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will send you all the details. Okay, anyway, let's complete our video. We need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. We will go to Pinterest, guys, and we will click here on home feed and click on create pin. Okay, and here you go. Okay, you will be in this page. What you will do here is you need to create a good pin picture. Okay, and we will use AI. Okay, so what you will do, you will go to ChatGPT. Okay, go and open your ChatGPT account and click here on ask anything. So just go to ChatGPT, guys, and ask him to give you a viral prompt to send to Gemini to create high quality Pinterest pin picture that you will use to promote book promotion and ebook marketing using Amazon KDP ads on Pinterest. Okay, just click over here and ChatGPT will create a viral high converting prompt that you guys can copy and go back to Google Gemini to create a good quality, high quality pin picture. Okay, here you go. This is your prompt. I will just copy this prompt, just copy, okay, like this. Copy this prompt. What I will do, I will go back to Google Gemini. Okay, go and open Google Gemini like this. Click here on tools and choose create image. Click on create image like this and paste your prompt here, okay, like this, and just click over here and here you go. Gemini will create high converting Pinterest pin picture about this service that you want to promote on Pinterest. Okay, it started creating our pictures and I'll share with you guys the results once it's done. Okay, guys, without AI it was really very difficult. Okay, now you guys have access to AI. You can create a limited content, so much content in a short time. Okay, you see, without AI, when I started this business, AI doesn't exist. Okay, and to make like those pictures, it took me hours. Okay, it took me hours to create like those pictures using Photoshop apps, using website. It took really, it taking a lot of time. Right now it's very fast. Just with few clicks you make content, so much content done. Okay, you see, this is our picture. She's really good. I will just click on download. So just download the picture from here. Okay, and what you will do next is you need to go to Pinterest and upload this picture on Pinterest. Okay, let's go to Pinterest and just click over here, go to download. This is my picture. Here you go. Do you see this? Turn your book into passive income. Amazon KDP, Pinterest ads, daily sales, which is really good. Okay, this is really good. So what I will do, I need a title and description, and I need good SEO in my title and good SEO in my description, so this pin can rank higher and get me clicks and make me commissions. So what I will do, I will go back to Google Gemini and ask him, just go back to Google Gemini and ask him, guys, to give you an SEO optimized Pinterest pin title for this service and description too, and mention in the description that this is an affiliate. This is super important. Okay, remove this one and click over here, and we will get high, good, converting SEO titles and descriptions. Here you go. Turn your book into a passive income. Here you go. This is one. Copy this one, copy the title, go back to Pinterest and put this title here. Okay, you need description. Go back to Google Gemini. This is your description here, pin description, copy this description. You have here hashtags, you have everything. Okay, copy and just paste your description here. Here you go. As you guys can see, scroll down and here you need to put your affiliate link. You will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here and go back to Pinterest and just paste your affiliate link here. Okay, guys, it's better to use a landing page or an affiliate website. Okay, so you can avoid a banned account with Pinterest. Okay, so this is not my main account. I'm sharing with you how just you can do it. Okay, so it's better for you to use landing page. So here, scroll more down, click on choose a board. And if you have a new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create unlimited boards. Please, in each board, promote one specific niche. Don't promote different niches in one board. If you are doing this, you will make 0 commissions. Promote one specific niche in each board. I hope it's clear. So let me choose, for example, I will choose this one. And here you need to put tags. They are not important. What you need to focus on is your title and your description. If you are using good SEO keyword in your title and good keyword in your description, you are good. Okay, so once you finish, click on publish and here you go. You just published your first affiliate link on Pinterest. That's how you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing using AI. Okay, and for people who are asking, so how much we will earn if one person, for example, buy the service from you? Okay, if you remember, let me go back. If you remember, guys, if we go back here, we are promoting, this is not pro service. Okay, so we will earn 25% of the first order. Okay, and this service that we are promoting starting from $100. Okay, let's go, for example, to ChatGPT and ask him what is like 25% of $100. They are really paying good commission, guys. Okay, it's a good commission. Okay, it's $25. Do you see? $25 for every one single sale a person will make using your link. Okay, and for pro services, it's very profitable. Okay, anyway, for people who want to take this business seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will send you all the details and you can get access to my affiliate course. Also, you get access to me and my team. So it's not like other courses that they give you the info and leave you. For me, I work closely with you to make sure you applying the system correctly. Okay, so me and my team will follow up with you and make sure you are doing everything correctly to make this works for you. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.